Hello everyone, my name is Soumya Sachin Bhope. I study in 2nd standard. I am in GK Virukul School. Today we are going to make an emoji windchime which can really play music. So for this I have took a small lid of a box. I have scissors. Then I have some rope. Then I have some cardboard. And then I have xylophone sticks. So let's start our work. We are going to make a small hole in the lid. Over here we have took the lid and we have put some rope inside it, and we have tied a knot over here so that we can hang it like this. We are going to put some rope inside this and tie a rubber band. We are ready with our bars. First you have to choose center point. I have chosen this one. Now we are going to arrange these bars round and round in ascending order. Next we are going to put this rope from this point and take it out from this point and then tie a knot. We are almost done, but this doesn't balance at all. So we are going to put some ropes over here so it balances good. Our windchime is done, but we are going to decorate it with emoji so it becomes emoji windchime. Make the emojis, we are going to draw these circles, then cut them out, and then color them with yellow color. At the end, we are going to draw the smiley face. Color it nicely. From both of the sides. And we are also going to cut it neatly. Faces on these emojis. Over here we have made 20 emojis, and now we are going to stick them on our windchime. Here we are going to put some glue and then stick it on the windchime. Now we are going to take the next emoji and our emoji's windchime is ready to play. Now we also can make music with it. So our emoji windchime is ready. Bye bye. Come on inside my house. Come on, don't wait. ocean. Bye. Good night.